Lesson C5, Intermediate Calculations, Topic 12, Worked Examples, Threshold. The learning objective for this topic is to understand how to use the logical functions in practice. We're just going to focus on one in this. We looked at this in some detail earlier, so in this case I'm just going to look at the threshold function. Here I've got a starting trend with two series on it. We've got a basic square wave, and then we've got a time series from our demo system. So what we want to do is make a compound time series that is only gives the value of the pressure indicator, the PI, when the square wave is 1. So the use case for this might be that you have a single flow meter but two different pumps, say, and what you want to know is the flow when only pump A was running. So let's imagine that the square wave could represent a running signal. What we're going to do is add them to our basket to make it easy again to create this calculation. And we go add tag, calculation, build calc. And this time we're going to select threshold from the list, and then we need to put in our two tags. So the tag to examine is the square wave. So we want to know when this is above or equal to 1. So I could actually put in any number above 0 in this case, and when you have a digital signal that would do. So I'll put in 0.9. This would actually work with 1 as well because it's above or equal to. So the tag value to return if above or equal to is then our pressure instrument in this case, and if it's below the threshold we want to return 0, and then I'll add that to my trend. So need to change the color to make it a bit more visible, and then let's also make it a little bit thicker. I'll set it to 3 points. There we are. So now we have our virtual time series that is only reporting the value of the sensor when the square wave is 1. So this tag could then form the basis for a totalizer. If you wanted to know the total flow through a given pump per day, then this tag could then form the basis of a totalization in the next stage of calculation. But there we are, that's the threshold.